Hi guys, welcome back to the Brand Investigation YouTube channel. Today we are going to review the product Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Let's start by knowing why we have Robot Vacuum Cleaner. Imagine you get home after a really long day at work. Instead of worrying about cleaning, you can just relax and let the technology handle it. That's why a Robot Vacuum Cleaner does. It's a smart machine that moves around your home, cleaning up dust and dirt from different surfaces like floors and carpets. Its job is to make your life easier by saving your time for more important things. Now let's discuss which is the best brand for robot vacuum cleaner. What are the main things to consider when purchasing a robot vacuum cleaner? How to buy the best and where to buy the best robot vacuum cleaner. We have gathered online customer reviews and ratings to help you make an informed buying decisions. Moving ahead, let's explore the top 10 best-selling robot vacuum cleaner brands in India. From this list, we will shortlist the top 4 brands to make the best buying decision. We will suggest you some brands that you have to strictly avoid it. We will also discuss the brands that we have received negative ratings from the customers and the reasons behind it. These are the brands that you strictly need to avoid. Let's know the reason behind it. For example, Robosys brand has been reported to have the service issues. In MamiBot brand, the customers are not satisfied. The Pure Clean brand is inconsistent in working. The Black Plus Decker brand has the over noise issue. Amor brand has the major connectivity issues. And the Realme brand has the major software issues. So these are the brands that you strictly need to avoid while purchasing a robot vacuum cleaner. Let's discuss the top 4 best selling robot vacuum cleaner brand. iLife. Second is Eufy. Third is Robot. And fourth is Xiaomi. Let's discuss the dustbin capacity. iLife has the capacity of 450 ml, Eufy and Robot has the dustbin capacity of 600 ml, and Xiaomi has the capacity of 450 ml. Let's discuss the running time. Running time of iLife is 100 minutes, Eufy and Robot has 90 minutes, and Xiaomi has 120 minutes. Coming to the cleaning method, iLife has the 4 modes, remaining Eufy, Robot, and Xiaomi has 3 modes. Discussing on the pet hair cleaning, iLife, Eufy, Robot and Xiaomi, all these brands have this feature in it. Discussing on the app control, iLife, Eufy, Robot, Xiaomi all have the app control provided in it. Coming to the special features in the iLife is excellent, Robot is also excellent, whereas Eufy and Xiaomi is quite good. Discussing on the major part, that is warranty, iLife has the warranty of 1 year, Eufy has the warranty of 1 year, Robot has the warranty of 2 years and Xiaomi has the warranty of 1 year. The common things included in these brands are auto on and off cleaning, Google Voice Assistant and Alexa answers. It is used for carpets, hard surfaces and all indoor surface cleanings. It has the high precision sensors, they have the powerful suction cleaning. Coming to the most important part, that is the customer ratings of these products, iLife has the customer rating of 4.5 stars, Eufy has the customer ratings of 4 stars, Robot has the customer rating of 4.5 stars and Xiaomi has the customer rating of 4 stars. For more details about these brands' products, we have given you the details in the description with the exact price models in it. Do check out our link in the description. If you like this video, don't forget to share with your friends and family. Thank you so much for watching and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks.